A slip knot is used to begin every crochet project, unless you're working with a magic circle. Watch my hands as I do it once, and then the second time around we'll do it in slow motion so you can see exactly what I'm doing. If you need the words, you can follow along in the comments below. Now let's do it in slow motion. Take the working end of your yarn in your left hand and loop it once over the tail end of the yarn. You will use the thumb of your right hand right where the crease is to hold your yarn steady. Then with your left hand again, take the working end of the yarn and push a loop through the loop that you just created. Use your fingers to hold the yarn in place and gently tug the loop through, creating a pretzel type of knot that you'll come to know as a slip knot. That loop in your right hand fingers will be where you'll place your crochet hook to begin your project.